Our edge is to have a system that predicts the market, what the market's gonna do, right? That's our edge, right? If you don't have a system that tells you what is the price gonna do, you are you are playing with this with in a disadvantage. I'm telling you. All right, so price right now 78, right? 77, 78. All right, we have a bearish bias. As long, listen, 82, not only 82 is the high of this wave, it is also a key level. And that means it's a divider. There are many key levels. This is a total divider. Alrighty? So this divider right here, 82, so long as the price is below 82, bears are in control. So you see this uptrend from 71 all the way to 81, this 10-point trend. That, that's not more powerful than the pullback. So this pullback, it's is the real trend, right? So we believe that the main play is short, okay, and we are expecting the price to go to 69. Alrighty, 69 is target one for, all right, for the best, for this, right, for this move that we are expecting to happen. Alrighty, okay, so we have direction, we have structure. Time right now 9:05. Thank you, mistake, and 25 minutes to open, right? And so that's what we that's our projection, right? Is that the price right now, right here, 78, right? From here, from 78, 77, 78, is going to test the low, break it, and continue to 69. That's our projection for now. 82 has a squeeze. Alrighty, 85. 82 has a squeeze. Alright, so let's say that the smart money knows that we know what their intentions is, right? And then they're gonna take 78. They're gonna take 82. They're going to squeeze the bears all the way to 85. All right, 82, 85, 3 points only. Alrighty, okay, alrighty then. Okay, so we can all see here this little fight right here. Okay, alrighty then. Okay, the open is coming. All right, so one strategy is wait for the open, have confirmation that the price is breaking to the downside, and right, and then ride it all the way to 69, where we think the price is gonna go later today. Can I change hats in the next 5 seconds, Mystique?
You sure can.
All right. So, but that's what we have so far. So, the important comments are this: number one, the market is out of balance. Number two, 82 is a divider. As long as the price is below 82, this pullback 82.75 is the main is the strongest trend. Oh my God, but it's smaller. This is just a pullback in an uptrend. Bears took control right there at 81 quarter. So in other words, right? So 85 is target 1 for the bulls. 69 is target 1 for the bears, right? Okay. Sure, right? So we know that at when the price was 70A, right? We 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 it's when Goldman called me and told me that they're gonna take it to 69, right? So, but we're so close to the open. We know the risk. We know the squeeze. One tactic is, and that's why we love the open, is don't take this 79 short right here, right now, right? Wait for the open, wait for confirmation. This thing breaks to the upside. We're gonna watch it. We know 82 is gonna stop it, and then we're gonna play it, and then we know that a clean break of 81 quarter. We know that a clean break of 81, it'll continue going to the squeeze 85 because that's where the smart money needs to take the price to take all the stops of the weak bears. We know that. Alrighty? Okay, so we know the market is out of balance. We know the condition. We know we have direction. We have entry location. All right, so we can trade what we see. So wait for the momentum. Yeah, Capi, but if I go short at the open, man, when this thing is already 77, 76, then I'm gonna miss these couple of points, if I take it now. Well, you can have your cake and eat it, can you, Mistake?
Nope.
Usually, right?
Usually not.
Exactly. So, just take it easy. Alrighty? Okay. And listen, 79.70, right? That's not a big deal. That's that's not even 10 points. Okay? I know 10 points for some traders is it's it's a miracle. Right?
Right.
We make 10 points every day, right? For some traders, it's a miracle. So it all depends on the volatility and the market and what market giveth, and we take it. Alrighty then. So okay, so we had balls, right? And took the 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 shore right here. Okay, right. So big little fight right there. Price goes to 80. It gives us 2 points, and we have to continue with our plan. We have to continue with our plan. Okay, continue with our plan. All right. Remember what I told you. Okay. Nice, right? Stick. 70,
Lovely.
77, 78 from 82. So we're up 4 points, right? We took this short right here. Remember what I told you. We wait for the open, right? If you want confirmation, right? All right. Okay. We still need the price to take. We still need the price to take this 76. All right. We still need the price to take 76. All right, because 76, ladies and gentlemen, it's is the price needs to take 76 to invalidate this bull wave. Okay. Alrighty then. So sure, we're short right here, 82. We made 4 points in 4 seconds. Terrific. Stop break even, and we are expecting eventually the price to continue going down. When it breaks 76, then we're gonna be more comfortable because bears invalidated the current bullish wave that we're on still. All right, short term bulls in control. No question about it, right? Okay. All right. So what's our next resistance? Well, the squeeze, right? The squeeze 85, right? Okay. All right then. Okay. Alrighty then. Let's see. Alright, so we are clear that here at 79, the right, the Bulls took control of the of the um of the short term way, right? At what time I call that bullish takeover mistake when I 9:29. Oh my God! Only 1 minute before the open. Yeah, but that was 10 minutes ago. Okay. All right. So we all know that the Bulls are in control of this wave right here. When the price was 29, that break to the upside. We knew that a break of 81 price was going to continue easily to 85 to the squeeze. We know that this area right here is a key level for the longer term. All right. Okay. All righty then. Okay. Hey, ladies and gentlemen. So have you found a word for me, Mystique? Right. So, okay. So, well, tell me then. All righty then. Okay. So repeat. 1 minute before the open, I told you, right? Bulls just took control of the wave. So what does that mean? It's gonna break to the upside. If it breaks to the upside, what are we gonna do? We're not gonna short 82. Yeah, but 82, man, it's a key level. We'll let it go to the squeeze, right? And the momentum takes it all the way to 89. Even the teenagers know that 89 is Globex high. So we take a shot short right here. Beautiful. Look at the break all the way to 81. So we're up 8 points now. Stop break even, start trailing, and we know, look, price only goes to 80. All right? Yeah. Price only goes to 80. That means that the Bulls are still in control of this short-term play. Right? Remember, my friends, price needs to take this 79 here, 76, 77. Okay, price needs to take it. Alrighty, this 75 half at 902, right? It wasn't that strong before. It wasn't that strong. It wasn't that strong until it really became really strong here 1 minute before the open. All right, that's when we were able to see that the Bulls were in control of this wave. All right. So price needs to take it to invalidate the short-term play. Okay, but because we have cojones, we went short here because we are after how many points? We stick to 69, right? From 89, from 89 to 69, we're after 20 points. 89, 69. We're after 20 points, right? We have balls. We short here and we let it ride. We know the Bulls are in control right now. All of this, right? And so it's important that we know this action so that we can much better manage our positions. So remember, right? We are in a bullish wave. Okay, don't underestimate that call. All right, short term, we are in a bullish wave. Price needs to take this. Is that a swing low by the way? This pivot low? No, it's not a swing low. It needs to take this 76 to invalidate that wave. So it's gonna be a fight right here, right? We all can see it. 78, 88. 78, these 10 points, gonna be a battle. We took a shot right here, 88, right? We knew 85, 88, we knew Globex high, right? We get rewarded nicely soon, 5, 6, 7, 8 points in a couple of minutes. and find support right here. We know since a couple of minutes before the open that the bulls are in control of the short-term um, action. Okay, all right. All right. So don't disregard that information because it's extremely important, right? Remember that remember that a short term can easily turn into a medium, and that medium can turn into a long term. Okay, all right. So we there, right? We gonna have to manage, right? If we're gonna continue with our forecast and ride this trade that we're on all the way to 69, right? For 20 points, and then we have to continue managing here. All right, managing. This is a managing. We know that we are fighting those who are in short-term control, the bulls. We know that. Alrighty.
Said home sales in 5 minutes.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. And the consumer confidence. Yeah, exactly, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Who said that? Sean. Thank you, Sean. Oh my God, I'm glued to this to the monitor. I'm glued to your bullish.
I know.
You know, I shouldn't be looking at your chart, Mystic.
That's right.
But I'm glued, man. I'm glued to it because I know that we have to be really careful. Anyway, so thank you, Sean, for the information. Yes, we have consumer confidence and new home sales in 4 minutes. All right, so let's watch it. Think about this, ladies and gentlemen. This is very important that you understand this concept. I'm gonna tell you right now. Okay, right? So it is very difficult to do it in a room, right? But when I told you, right, a couple of minutes before the open, that I told you, hey, listen, this way, just was just was the bulls took it off. It'll break to the upside, right?
Yeah.
2 minutes before 9:30, right? So if you are really, really, really fast, right, and you are a real professional scalper, bam, you take a shot long right there. And you took advantage of that break of 79 all the way to 89. You made 10 points. Nice. Pretty good timing, right? All right. And
Actually, Cappy, you called that at 9:26.
9:26. That's
Yeah.
4 minutes before the open.
Correct.
That's more like a mistake.
I was
All right.
reading
Pay
the
attention to your notes.
Sorry.
Okay, yeah, exactly. So 4 minutes before the open, ladies and gentlemen, we knew that the bulls were gonna be in control, right? Because the wave went bullish, right? It went rogue. All right, so and that's why I said so we're not gonna short 82. Yeah, we're still gonna look to short the squeeze or the momentum, right? Because we are after a longer term move to 69, right? But so that move up shouldn't surprise you. And if you are a fast scalper, a good one, no hesitation, boom, you took that long 79. When I call it, listen, 79, you had a 10-point ride. You manage it right there. Nice. You did good. Right. Right. And you know that long play that you took, it's a counter of the longer term. Right. Look at all the stuff that we need to know. Right. Okay. Right. Because this 69 is a trade what we think. Right? Remember that our edge is that we trade what we think, we trade what we believe, not only what we see. Right? the average trader trades what they see. That's all they trade. They have no clue. They have no idea where to put the stop, and they have no idea where the price is going. Think about this, mistake. Look at the shape, right? This is just too much, right? It's amazing, right? Look at it. It doesn't get any tougher than this, and yet we had a
The bears took over and they totally pulverized the bodega pool and we're headed south.
okay, right? Look at this shape. This it doesn't look at it. It doesn't get any tougher than this. And we nailed the long 79 4 minutes before the open. We knew prices was gonna go up. I don't remember if I had the recording going when I made that comment. Well, I'll see it later today. And we nailed the short 88, right? Mistake.
Yes, we did.
All right. So look at that. We made 10 points on the up to the upside and 10 points to the downside, and we want to make 10 more so that we're after 20 points. Test of the overnight low here, 72, and give us a couple more points to 70. Target one only. All right, so it's just one. Once we have confirmation, once the price takes, once the bears take control of the short-term wave, which is bullish right now, then we're gonna nicely have okay, here we go, expectation that the price is eventually gonna go to our target one, right? So they know that, right? 75 is the low of the bullish wave, right? Remember, I've been telling you how many times I said we need to take, we need the price to take 76 so that we can feel comfortable that we're gonna make another 10 points, right? Because this 75 right here is the low of a bullish wave, right? So that's why it went all the way to, that's why it went here all the way to 75, and it bounced all the way to 79 quarter, almost 5 points. Look at that bounce, right? But we know better. We are below 82, right? Remember 82? Okay, so we are below 82, which we know is a key level. And we know that as long as the price is below 82, right? For the longer term, the bears are beginning to take control. Well, the bears have been in control since 88, all this time. For the medium term play, the one that's going to take us to 69, since I told you an hour ago, right here at 9 a.m., remember? All right. But we know that we had to fight the short term bullish, right, wave that wasn't going to be invalidated until 76 is taken. So the bulls knows the importance of 76, and they're going to buy it. They're going to buy it, 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 no matter what, because they don't know the future like we do. If they did, it would be short and they wouldn't be buying here. Now, this buy right here, it's okay, because if we bought 79, which is right, which is 4 points above the low of the wave, then of course it's okay to buy this one right here for a scalp. Of course it is okay. All right, so as scalpers, we are scalpers. It's okay. Look at it, mistake. Didn't I say it's okay to buy it?
You did.
Look at the bounce all the way to 80, right?
Yep.
All right, for a scalp, So in other words, any long that you take, it's a counter trend of the 69 trip. However, it is a build back better long the bullish wave, right? Perfect. Absolutely. All right. Those of you understanding that, you're good. You know how to do this thing. Okay. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, we have a Goldman just called me and they said we have a resistance. Okay. Above this high 89. Okay. All right. It's right here. What is this? Oh my God. Yeah. All right. It begins at all right. It begins at 93. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it begins at 93. Okay. So what does that mean? Well, that means that okay. Give me 1 second. Let me put this back. All right. So we have another resistance above 89 is 93. Okay. So bulls came to the rescue. They took advantage of the best risk reward ratio. They added to a winner right here, right? Added to a winner, establish a new position long, right? Yeah, because we know that we are in a short term bullish way, right? So of course they're gonna take advantage of it, and bulls got rewarded nicely, right? Look at this, right? From 75 all the way to 86, 11 points. That's pretty good. All right. Remember when I told you it's okay to go long right here, right? It's all recorded. All right. So this is a strong move. And this move just gave us another resistance beginning 93. All right. This is going to change. The market is dynamic. Everything is changing all the time. So we're gonna pay attention to 93 now. Look the way the price took 82. Look at it, right? So I told you it's okay to be long right here. You go long right here. You know you're going long the low of a bullish wave. You're enjoying this ride. This is a counter trend to our main play, the one that we want to ride all the way to 69, right? So we have our biggest position size is short here, the high 89, and we have a small position long going right here, right? Taking advantage of this move that is is it's bigger than we thought. So as far as we're concerned, we're terrific. We're really happy about it. So what happens? It takes our 82. Remember 82 key level divider, right? The long term, shape of the market. The bulls are in control as long as the price is above 82, right? Look at the 82. The price takes it, it comes right down, takes it, it takes it to the downside, takes it to the upside, takes it to the downside. It look how it played with us all this time from 958 all the way to 1007, 10 points going up and down, breaking it to this upside, right? We know better, right? And then it goes all the way. It gives us a nice ride all the way to the low of the bullish wave. Of course, we're going to, depending on your position size, you're locking right here. Of course, you know that there's gonna be a bounce, so you have to lock. You have to lock some points here because you know that the odds are that the price is gonna bounce. And I told you it's okay to go long right here, even though we want the price to go to 69. Just go long right here with the micros. It's okay. We were expecting 82 to stop this this impulse. It didn't. On the contrary, it took it. Beautiful for us. Those of us who went long right here because I told you when the price was right there at 75, and we know 82, right? Oh my God! Now 82 goes to squeeze the bears all the way to 87. And look at what happened. Boom. Back to where, Mystic? What level is that? 82. 82 again. All right. So this is what we're going to be playing for a while. Okay. In the meantime, look at your P&L. You should be nicely green in an extremely tough session and go to phase 7. Pretty much, right? No shenanigans.